Hi, this is Mr. V, and in this video we are going to learn how to compare decimal numbers up to the thousandths place. We want to be able to compare decimal numbers that have different numbers in each of the decimal place values. For example, if I have the decimal numbers 2.347 and I have the decimal number 2.374, how can we prove that one is bigger than the other? What we do is we line them up according to place value. So we'll line these up so that we have the ones, the decimal place obviously, then the tenths, the hundredths, and the thousandths. Let's line up these numbers. So our first number is 2.347, and our second number is 2.374. And we're going to compare these systematically, so one place at a time. So we'll look at the ones place. And they're both 2, so they're both equal to each other. So at this point, they're still the same. So we'll compare the next smallest place value, which is the tenths place. Again, 3 and 3 are equal to each other, so this doesn't tell us anything. So we'll move up to the next decimal place, which is the hundredths. And now we can see, well, 4 and 7 are obviously different. And so we want to figure out which one of the two is bigger. And anybody can tell you that 7 is bigger than 4. And this is where we stop. We stop. We don't have to look further at any of the other decimal places. We stop at the first one. And we label the one that had the bigger value as the bigger number. So when we're comparing these two decimal numbers, we can easily say that 2.347 is smaller than 2.374. And that is how we can compare decimals with decimal numbers up to the thousandths place.